Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset a Citibank password. Of course, there are two methods to do so. Whether if you're using a web browser or website of the Citibank, or you're using the app. So if you're using the app as example, let me just look for Citibank app interface, like login interface. You just see if it's right here. So yeah, it's going to be something like this. Of course, you'll have to click on sign in to the user. And as you can see, you will find here like forget my password. So I guess this is a GIF, that's why it's moving. But anyway, so once you click on sign in, and you'll find the forget user ID or password, click on it, and they will of course send you a link to your email or to your phone number. And of course, you'll have to reset the password from wherever they sent you. The same will be from the web sites. All you need to do, just go to citi.com, the enter button. Oh, sorry. So citi.com, hit the enter button. This should take you right here. So all you need to do, just go right here. As you can see, forgot user ID or password. I will have to click on password in here. Once I do so, I'll be taken to this page. So here, what I will have to enter, as you can see, I'll have to enter the bank and or credit card customers, or I can enter the mortgage application only, small business administration paycheck protection program. This is, of course, you'll have to select like the account type and use the primary account holder information to verify your identity. You can choose whatever suits you. As example, maybe I want to enter like personal loan only customers. Click on continue. Maybe user ID. I'll have to enter my user ID or account number. I'll have to enter my account number. Once I enter that, they will provide me with a link so I can reset my password and I should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.